Alright guys, so we're on our way to Calcite Mine. Right now I'm gonna let this car go because I'm slow. He's probably not gonna want to be stuck behind a Jeep. Yeah. So we're just entering Anza Borrego Desert State Park.
We're shooting.
This is not BLM land, so you can't just do whatever you want. You got to respect the nature here. And it's really beautiful. There's a lot of natural habitats and different things out here that I should really get sway bars put back on this. No, oh, you're not used to the new suspension. It's super soft now. That's why you're. Yeah, it feels like it's gonna roll over because it's super soft now. You're not used to that.
So it's not, right? That's normal?
That's normal. This is how a rock crawler should be. It should handle like shit on the street. And you know, when you're off-roading, it should be good. Wow. Look at that.
After Caesar's Crossing, you made it right?
Yeah. So we're on the 78 right now. Heading towards Anza Borrego. And our destination is Calcite Mine. We're going to be going left on S3. That's going to take us to S22. And we're going to go right on S22, which kind of runs parallel to S2. They repaved all this. That's amazing.
It was great.
Oh, this is the way Brandon and I took down to Borrego. I remember now, because I'm like, this is why I thought okay, so when Derek and I took the toy hauler out of here, I thought this was Banner Grade. Because this is where you go down this huge hill and then it flattens out, and then that's where you get into Borrego.
Good job, you did a good job.
Amazing. I'm going to take the M3 up on this road.
Why can't we do that somewhere?
Costs too much. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, let's see what I mean. It gets all flat down there. So I had thought this whole time this was Banner Grade. Well, we got plenty of water, so most important thing. And you brought the first aid kit?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
First aid kit. I mean, the both of us, we have 6 models.
Yeah. Alright, so this is where you come down into Borrego. Kind of crazy. I think like Christmas circles down there. So we're on S3 now.
I remember the fade in your eyes.
Dana, how you doing? Yeah, this is in the middle of nowhere. Look at that. You see that? Flat.
I'm lost in space, floating away. Away.
Soft shoulder. That means don't drive like a dumbass. Because you will. Yeah, like. Oh man, we slid. I had to counter steer. That scared the crap out of me too a little bit. I just act like everything was cool, but I was scared. I was scared. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared.
K2 is past Red.
Woo! Huh?
Is it the K2?
Brandon and I crossed this whole entire thing on dirt through trails in his Suzuki one of the nights, and we got into this trail that had basically his roll cage was touching rock from both sides, so it was that narrow. What's called? Red Ocotillo.
I'm running away with you. I'm running away. I'm running away from you. I'm running away. I'm running away.
Just had really filling lunch at the Red Ocotillo. Let's see, we're in the middle of pretty much nowhere. Borrego. And Dog is over here with us. Dana Dog was being very bad. Barked at everybody, like misbehaving, not letting us like enjoy our dinner without her going crazy. I still didn't put a shock collar on her yet because I wanted to spend a whole day at home dealing with it, Cindy. But it is beautiful. The weather's just got a little bit better, so we're gonna go do some wheeling, Calcite Mine, and wherever else it takes us.
The bargain barn.
Yeah, what's that place called? Let me see.
Bargain barn.
Bargain Barn. We got 37-inch tires that are bigger than the Dog. Those tires are huge. Look how big they are compared to the Dog. Well, now you're behaving, kind of.
She wants us to take her with her.
Oh, we're gonna leave you here, Dana.
I think that's why she's not angry anymore.
We're gonna leave you right here.
Yeah. Leaves.
Excuse me, wow. Okay, on to the next part of the adventure.
Here's the Central Market in Borrego Springs off of Palm Canyon Road. A very nice, well-kept area. The gas station there, I guess it's out of order and they're fixing. Here's Dana. She likes to find out what's going on too. She's very curious. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that sunset. We're looking for our thrift store. And across the street is their main strip mall in Borrego Springs. It's pretty small, but it's called the mall.
Bottle shop.
Yeah, that's it. It's a liquor store. It's a liquor store called the Bottle Shop.
That's right. A lot of stuff's still open. It's really almost 6 o'clock. All right, so what gas station was she talking about? It had to have been the other way.
She said it's past the mall.
There it is.
She said it's past the mall. So we're going to look for a gas station that's still open. There he goes. Yoga, Borrego, Outfitters, Tumbleweed. Here's the gas station that we're looking for right now.
Yeah, how much is this one? Like $8?
Then Ramona. Okay. We are now here. We're going to fill up gas. So I'm going to get off the...
Getting gas. Next step, Calcite Mine. No hat? Or hat? Crazy. It's nice out here. There's the mountains. Very nice. Dana? Dana? Why are you so down with you? Dana.
With you, I'm running away.
So we are very in the middle of nowhere now, even more so than before. We should be coming up to Calcite any minute now.
Calcite Mines. This is the entrance for off-roading vehicles only. Look at this. Look at that view. It's incredible. Are you wide enough for this, babe?
Wide enough?
The road is not wide enough for a car. This is kind of scary. lower level of calcite mines. As you can see, this place existed during World War II, from my understanding, from what I was told. How far in is it? Calcite mines, rough road ahead, restricted area, highway, legal vehicles only, the sign said.
We're in two-wheel drive. Hopefully this is okay.
No, babe.
Calcite Mine. Oh, that's it. But there's all sorts of trails down below that we're not going to explore, obviously. It's too late for that. See, it's almost 6:40. Hey, we're in two-wheel drive still. Would it make you feel better if I put on forward? Or low is probably the best. If you don't feel comfortable, we can go back, babe.
Off-roading in a while since.
I know, me too.
Look at that.
Yeah, this part is a little sketchy. Right here. You see? Holy shit. Do you not want to go up there?
I know, we're almost at the top?
Kinda.
No, babe, this is too scary.
How do I go back?
You have to check it backwards. How far up do we have to go to get to the top?
Shit, we already got stuck.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea.
Or back up it
It
is?
goes up there, flattens out. Goes up there, flattens out, and then you gotta go up to like a top, and then you sit and you watch over this whole valley. But I don't know. We could just go back. Let's just go back.
No. Back up, and if you want to tackle it in such a way, you can make it. But go, 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 go.
crawl down it.
Are you comfortable crawling down this?
Yeah, this is not even that bad.
Huh?
This is not bad, it's just the light that's making it look like that.
No, it's not that bad. Up. Right down there. There's an incline right
You'll be
down.
fine with it.
No. I'm talking about your Jeep.
Yeah, we'll put it in 4 low and then let the motor brake. It'll just go like that.
As long as your car can handle it, then you're fine. I just want to be able to get home.
This is why I played the final countdown dun, 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 in the video.
There's a dip right here. You see it?
I know, I'm gonna take it like this. Like, we drove way out here, we gotta get to the top. It's so vast view from there, you can see like a lot.
Just great views.
I came up here on 31 still, but I think it's much different now after all the rain and everything.
It might be rockier now.
This is it. This is it. That's as far as we got. Well, like him and I went up there a little bit, and that's it, just to get a better view shot.